Hi, today I'm going to show you how to make a Japanese-style chicken curry. You may refer to the description for a complete list of ingredients and instructions. 注釋裏面有中文食譜。Japanese curry is sweet in nature, so normally I would buy the hot one. This is how I would prepare ginger juice. So just peel and mince the ginger and squeeze the juice out. Wash, wipe dry, and cut the chicken pieces. Marinate chicken for about 20 minutes. Measure and prepare ingredients for the sauce part. Press Sauté button in your pressure cooker to heat it up. Add a tablespoon of oil. Then add onions, shallots, white part of green onions, and garlic. Sauté until fragrant. Add carrots and apple pieces. Then continue to sauté. Add 2 cubes of the Japanese curry and other ingredients in the sauce part. Sauté, then add hot water. Cook until the sauce boils, then turn it off. Cover and pressure cook for 5 minutes. Natural release pressure for 5 minutes, then carefully open the lid. Scoop out the sauce and blend the sauce until it becomes smooth. Press sauté of your pressure cooker again to heat up 1 tablespoon oil. Sauté onion pieces until fragrant, then add chicken. Pan fry the chicken pieces until they become golden. Meanwhile, blanch carrot pieces and potatoes for 1 minute, drain well. Add carrot and potatoes into the pressure cooker. Sauté. Add curry sauce, then continue to sauté. When the sauce becomes to boil, turn down the temperature. Cover and cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Remove the cover and turn up the temperature to sauté. Add red pepper and continue to sauté until the sauce becomes a bit thicker. The Japanese curry chicken is ready to serve. Enjoy!